Imagine a crowded event where someone in a wheelchair struggles to find accessible facilities. Unfortunately, standard porta potties often fall short of ADA compliance and accessibility standards. To be ADA compliant, porta potties must meet specific federal dimensions and features. This ensures individuals with disabilities have equal access to restroom facilities at public events. At least 5% of portable toilets at any event must meet ADA standards as per federal law. You might be surprised that the dimensions for accessible units require a 60 by 60 interior. Wider doorways, grab bars, and ground-level entry are also essential components of ADA-compliant units. These accommodations prevent legal penalties and ensure everyone has access to hygiene facilities. So, what exactly does ADA compliance mean for porta potties? Let's dive deeper. Understanding the Americans with Disabilities Act standards is essential for event organizers. The ADA compliance criteria established back in 1990 mandates facilities should be accessible for all individuals. Units must have a minimum width door of 32 inches, facilitating wheelchair access. In addition, grab bars must be strategically mounted 33 to 36 inches from the floor. Ground-level entry or compliant ramps with a maximum slope ratio of 1:12 are mandatory. This makes navigating these units much easier for those with mobility challenges. The dimensions for accessible porta potties are defined to ensure adequate maneuverability. Failure to provide adequate accessible facilities could lead to legal consequences and hefty fines. At events, a minimum of 5% of the total portable restrooms must be ADA compliant. For events with over 1,000 attendees, you'll need an accessible unit for every 20 standard units. To comply with the ADA, these units must also display the international symbol of accessibility. Did you know construction sites also face specific regulations relating to bathroom accessibility? When there are 20 or more workers on site for more than 3 days, ADA sections apply. The number of accessible units required varies based on the size of the workforce. Locations must be chosen wisely, ensuring ADA units are on level ground with clear pathways. Each ADA-compliant unit provides additional accessibility features that standard units lack. For instance, handrails must be installed to assist users when transferring from wheelchairs. These handrails must withstand considerable force for safety and support during use. Proper ramp accessibility helps individuals confidently approach, enter, and exit porta potties. Entry points should be designed to prevent accidents with non-slip surfaces and adequate clearance. Planning for placement is critical, ensuring these units are near handicapped parking and main areas. Order ADA-compliant units ahead of time, especially during peak event seasons for availability. Securing accessible porta potties ensures dignity and respect for all individuals during events.